Yes, bring my tripod. Why are you crying? Alright guys, I am ready for the day. My kids are ready for the day. Once I was done doing my skincare routine, I got them ready, so they took a shower. So I need to go prepare breakfast for them because I know you guys are hungry. Are you hungry? You know? Okay, your no is always a yes. So let's go downstairs. I'm making some fries and eggs for my kids because it's still morning, so this is their main breakfast. This is my own portion of my breakfast. So fries, that's fried potatoes, some eggs and some sauce. This is the, I think, Chick-fil-A sauce. I love it so much. Anyway, let me have breakfast. Eat your food. By the way, what do you guys make for your kids for breakfast? Because I think my kids, their breakfast is usually very basic. Every time that I make what I make for them for breakfast, they really enjoy it. So apart from like maybe puff puff, pap, akara, fried plantain and eggs, you know, fries and eggs, pancakes, that's basically what my kids love for breakfast. But what do your kids eat for breakfast? Going out today, I will have to get them some frozen fruits because they love smoothies, and I'm really trying to limit them from consuming cold things, especially now that places are already cold. What do you guys make for your kids for breakfast? Because I don't know, do I need to do more? And mind you, they eat all of these after they have drunk like their hot chocolate milk. Please let me know in the comment section what your kids have for breakfast. You know, let's share ideas. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, eat. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Is it yummy? Eliora, is it yummy?
Yes.
Yes, good job. We are at Walmart. Unfortunately, I didn't talk to you guys when I left the house. I want to get some cleaning supplies. I want to get something to clean the oven. Yeah, to clean the oven because I baked, I think, a couple of weeks ago. I still haven't cleaned my oven because I don't have something to clean it. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing what I thought I was gonna see here. So this is what I was looking for. Thankfully, I found it. And I need one for the bathroom. I need one for my bathroom. So let's take this one and go try for my bathroom, for the bathroom. Next, I want to get frozen fruits. Remember I told you guys I was gonna get frozen fruits. Yes.
Baby bed.
Yeah, the baby's bed.
So
let's see. So this is frozen fruits. Oh, did I pass? I'm not.
You always say cry it.
Can I see your lip? Can I see your lips? Did you just apply lip gloss?
Yes.
Oh wow.
I apply lip gloss.
Let me see your lip gloss.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Take.
Yeah. Thank you. You want to see too? No. No. Let me see too. Thank you.
Look at what I found. Look at what I found. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what I have been looking for. I'm thinking this time if I should get this champagne blush mixed with the spoonful of sugar. I love this thing so much. No, that's not Gabby's toothbrush. Gabby, you have a toothbrush already. You already have a toothbrush. Gabby has a toothbrush. So why do you want me to get you another toothbrush when you already have one? What you need is actually toothpaste. Do you want to pick a toothpaste? This is the one you guys are currently using. I don't know. Do you still want this one?
Mommy, get this one.
You already have a toothbrush, Delisa. Why will I get you a toothbrush when you already have one? So Eliora wants the Elsa toothbrush too, because she sees Delisa picking up a new toothbrush, and it is not possible for me to get toothbrush for one person. Guess what? I'm getting 3 toothbrushes.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him born the...
Good morning, family. I am awake. It is currently 6 a.m. and I have my pot here. I want to start mixing my dough for my fish roll. I remember telling you guys my friend's husband getting pinned today, so I will be going with the kids to support her. So I just wanted to make fish roll for her. There will be no after party. There is nothing serious happening, but just in case a few people come, I don't know her plan, but I just want to take the fish roll. She doesn't know I'm coming with fish roll, so it's going to be a surprise to her. So yeah, I want to start doing everything now. The occasion starts at 1 p.m. but military time, you have to be there by 12:45 at least. So, and we live quite far from the military base, so I want to start getting everything ready now so that nothing delays me. Basically, let's move, keep it moving.
Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem.
This is almost an hour later and we have the first tray ready. This is what is happening over here. So I think the oil is ready, so let's start frying.
Joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem.
Let me show you guys the first batch. I took out the first batch. The second batch is frying. I am in the midst of frying and also supervising my daughter to get ready for school. This is what the first batch is looking like. The second batch is currently frying. So I just came downstairs to check how it's doing. I'm going back upstairs.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and be.
This is what the second batch is looking like. It is currently 10:30 and I have to go start getting the kids ready. I cleaned everywhere. This is my go-to for like my stove, oven, and all of that. It gets rid of the grease very easily, and I use Dawn too. So those are my go-to every time I'm cleaning the stove, oven. I do not have small foil trays at the moment, so I'm gonna use this bowl to put the fish roll in it, because yeah. Guys, look at this fish roll. This is premium fish roll. Look at this. Let me open one and show you guys how much filling I put into my fish roll. By the way, this is Cameroonian fish roll. I know I'm running late, but let me open one of this and show you guys how much filling I have inside my fish roll. Like almost every bite that you will take of my fish roll, you are going to get the filling inside.
It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got extra in my heart.
just got done. We are heading home. So when we got here, I had to help my friend pack up the food that she brought. So I didn't take you guys through that process. Hi. Hi. Look at how pretty you look. You're such a pretty girl. Huh? Do you know you're a pretty girl? Yes. Oh yes. I am just realizing now that Delisa put on blush. Come and show us your blush, Delisa. Let me see your cheeks. Look at the blush on Delisa's cheek. Wow. We just got home not too long. I am standing out here to receive Gabby. The boss will soon be here. I'm gonna end this video here. Unfortunately, I didn't do much with Joe. I didn't take you guys along with like so much that was happening because it's been raining cat and dog since morning. But yeah, it was a fantastic day. I'm glad we made it back home. It feels good to be home. I guess I don't even know when I'm going to leave my house again, because why am I at this age I am becoming a home girlie? Like me growing up, you will not see me home. Like, why will I be home? I'm always outside. But it's funny how at this age now becoming a home girlie, like it just doesn't make sense to me. But I honestly love it. Gabby's here. Thank you. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Come on, baby. Hi, Gabby. Hi. Put your bag down. Grab your bag. Look at my baby. Look at my first child. She's almost my height. God, I beg. Take your bag. Please remember to put your shoes in the garage. Hi. Hello. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys some other time. You guys stay blessed, take care, and bye.